Welcome to Smart Money Today. If you've ever dreamed of making money online, on your own terms, working from anywhere, and finally taking control of your schedule, freelancing might be the fastest path to freedom. In this video, we'll walk through exactly how to start freelancing, even if you're brand new. You'll learn what skills to offer, where to find clients, and how to start earning quickly, sometimes within just a few weeks. So grab your laptop, your favorite drink, and let's dive into the world of freelancing for beginners.
Imagine waking up at your own pace, enjoying coffee while checking emails. This is the life of a freelancer. Freelancing offers unparalleled freedom. You choose your work hours and tasks. Say goodbye to the daily grind of 9-to-5 jobs. Picture this. Instead of commuting, you work from a beach or cafe. Your office can be anywhere, and it's entirely up to you. Now let's talk about flexibility. Freelancers decide who to collaborate with. This means building your dream team. No more uncomfortable work environments. Freelancing is a skill-based journey. As you hone your skills, your income can skyrocket. Your expertise directly impacts your earning potential. Visualize a rising bar chart. The more skills you have, the higher your potential income. Imagine learning something new, applying it, and impressing clients. Clients come from everywhere. They can be in New York, London, or Sydney. You can work wherever you feel inspired. Think about it. All you need is a laptop and internet access. Your startup costs are minimal compared to traditional businesses. Visualize a split screen. On one side, a store opens with hefty expenses. On the other, a freelancer appears with just a laptop. Freelancing presents low risks and high rewards. You control your own financial destiny. Your journey is as unique as you are. In summary, freelancing offers freedom and flexibility. You call the shots in your professional life. With a few essential tools, you can thrive in this world. Ready to take the plunge into freelancing? Start today and embrace your freedom. Have you ever felt lost in the freelance world? Your niche is your area of focus. It's the specific skill or service you offer. This helps you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Step 1 is finding your freelance niche. Ask yourself fundamental questions. What skills do I have? What do people need help with? What do I enjoy doing? Your sweet spot is where these overlap. Imagine a Venn diagram with 3 circles. One for skills, one for market demand, and one for passion. The center is labeled your niche. Popular freelance skills include writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, video editing, and consulting. Picture quick shots of professionals in action. A writer typing, a designer creating graphics, a programmer coding. What about a social media manager scheduling posts? Maybe a video editor cutting clips, or a virtual assistant organizing tasks? Start with one skill and get good at it. Deliver results that make a difference. Over time, expand into related services. Envision animated branches expanding from a circle labeled writing. Now check platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. These sites show what's in demand. Look for top sellers to learn from. Remember, don't copy them, but note what works. Visualize a screen simulation with the Fiverr search bar. A search for logo design reveals top sellers, ratings, and delivery times. Choose a niche with recurring demand. Think blog writing, social media posts, or video editing. This way, satisfied clients bring you ongoing work. Imagine an animated calendar with repeating tasks and dollar signs. Finding your niche is essential for success. It defines your brand and attracts clients. Start today and explore what you love. Ready to dive in? Let's find your freelance niche together. Section 4. Platforms and tools. Freelancing platforms are where your journey really begins. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you with clients all over the world who need your skills right now. Fiverr is perfect for beginners. You create service gigs, and clients come to you. Start with a clear, simple service and increase your prices as your reviews and experience grow. Upwork is great for long-term projects. Clients post job listings, and you send personalized proposals. Once you build a strong profile, you can land consistent, high-paying contracts. Freelancer.com gives you two options: bid on projects or enter contests to showcase your skills and get noticed quickly. But don't just rely on platforms. Build your online presence too. Create a simple portfolio website or optimize your LinkedIn profile. Add your best work samples, a professional photo, and a short, confident bio. Use time tracking tools like Toggle, project tools like Trello or Notion, and communication apps like Slack or Zoom to stay organized and professional. For payments, use PayPal, Wise, or Wave to send invoices easily and get paid fast. And here's a secret weapon: use AI tools to work smarter. ChatGPT can help write proposals, Grammarly polishes your writing, and Canva's Magic Studio makes designs faster. The more efficiently you work, the more you can earn. The key is consistency. Keep delivering great work, communicating clearly, and meeting deadlines. Ask every satisfied client for a review or testimonial. Good reviews are gold. They help you get more clients and charge higher rates. Next, raise your prices slowly. Start with small increases as your confidence and skills grow. Don't undervalue yourself. Clients pay more when they trust your results. Learn to specialize. Instead of offering everything, focus on one area, like writing blog posts for wellness brands or designing logos for tech startups. When you niche down, you stand out. Keep improving your skills through online courses, YouTube tutorials, or AI-assisted learning platforms. Freelancing rewards those who adapt fast. Also, network with other freelancers. Join online communities, attend virtual meetups, and share your work. Collaboration can lead to referrals and even partnerships. Finally, treat freelancing like a business. Track income and expenses, set aside money for taxes, and plan ahead for slow months. When you think like a business owner, you'll create stability and long-term success.